Good morning. This is Mike Houston with your Monday morning weather hazard briefing for southeast Idaho. Looking at satellite imagery this morning, we see a high-pressure ridge developing off the northwest coast with a relatively dry northwest flow across the Pacific Northwest states. There is some high-level moisture embedded in this and some showers up into Montana, but for southeast Idaho, relatively dry. Looking at high temperatures for today, we're expecting readings in the 70s here in the Snake River Plain and 60s here in the Central Mountains and mid-60s to lower 70s here in the Southeast Highlands. Jumping to our forecast charts for this afternoon, that high-pressure ridge holds firm off the northwest coast with that dry northwest flow across the region. We do see some high-level clouds skirting through Montana, maybe even some showers up here into Yellowstone National Park, but again, dry here across southeast Idaho. Skipping ahead to Tuesday afternoon, that ridge begins to move inland, which really cuts off the moisture here for southeast Idaho. We should be dry all day long. As we get to Wednesday, that ridge begins to break down as a storm system begins to approach the southwest Canadian coast. As that storm or that ridge breaks down, we're expecting to see some precipitation beginning to pop up here in the Central Mountains, maybe even up into the Island Park area during the afternoon hours on Wednesday. Daytime highs should peak around Wednesday with readings generally in the 80s here in the Snake River Plain and 70s here in the Central Mountains and lower 70s to lower 80s across the Southeast Highlands. These temperatures will remain about this area through the rest of the week as we have storm systems passing through the region. And here we are looking at Thursday, that storm system that was off the coast now moving east through Canada, and that really is opening the door for scattered showers across the region favoring the highlands and some afternoon thunderstorms, both Thursday going into Friday and the weekend. Taking a look at our watches and warnings that we have out for the Big Wood River at Haley, we have a flood advisory. Flows there have dropped down to bank full conditions and will remain there until what looks to be about early Thursday morning when they'll rise back up to flood category. We do have a flood warning here for the Henry's Fork near Rexburg as current readings are just slightly above flood level, and we expect those to drop back down below and into bank full by Tuesday morning sometime. That's all I had for you here this morning. If you had any comments or questions, please give us a call here at the number on the screen. Thank you.